Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Friday 5th of August, and SLP is doing quite a nice job still of maintaining that sideways movement right now. And if I'm on the daily right here, you can see that actually I'm just going to dive into the 4 hour time frame because the 4 hour time frame looks quite good right now. And yep, so here we are. I'm just going to extend this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. We've already talked about the inverse head and shoulder. If you're new to the channel, I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So inverse head and shoulders right there. So it's a pattern, training pattern that looks like a head and a shoulder, a real human being, a head and shoulder, where you have the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. In pattern form, in candlestick form, this is how they actually look like. So you're going to have the neckline, and then you break the neckline, and the price is actually shoot to the upside. So that's exactly what you do have here in the 4 hour time frame, right? So inverse head and shoulder, all you need to do is to break to the upside. Now the question really comes in that tomorrow is going to be Saturday, and weekends you do know that can be dumpy as well. So even when they push the prices on a Friday, they might end up pushing the prices back down on a Saturday and Sunday and make deeper correction to the downside. The favorable part for me is going to be pretty much the same, that you need to break the hell out of this level and go to the upside. Now that's the 4 hour time frame. If I dive into the daily, and if I actually show you the daily right now, then this is where the neckline actually comes in. So the neckline actually pretty much comes to this place right now, okay? That's where the neckline really is. And you are on the verge of breaking it. So today or tomorrow, you can actually pop to the downside. So what I'm going to do is try to estimate how much time is left. So you have one or two candle. If I just try to zoom in here, you can see that the price is now on the daily, yeah, they're squeezing, okay? And they are squeezing tight and tight, and there's a pop coming very soon, okay? Within maybe the next candle, maybe by tomorrow, you're going to have the final on. So you might actually break to the upside, go for the retest, and that would be amazing to continue higher. Otherwise, pop to the downside and you're coming down to 460, maybe even come to and lose 416. But the technical target would be to come down here to nearly 420, just as the last time you came in. But be careful, you don't want to go below 416 as well. And that's it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.